And she doing everything. Damn, like feel that damn target, dude. Damn. The flowers on that pole. Yeah, I'm just thinking. Too many in the can. Bitch, I'm super key. Come on. Why you so bad? Huh? Why you keep doing shit? I don't want you to do. What the bloody?
in the car with the blade. That's how it roll. Roll, roll, roll. I just thinking. I got 50 million cash coming. What they do that dance up in front of me? I wanna know. Mm, How you geek? Bitch, I'm super geek. And I begging, please. I'm running independent with the leather seats. The pie with the stove. And I've been making money when your ass was fucking staying. Look at that, bro. And I'm living to know, despite I'm picking up phone. I get dump on us. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds. 500 plus, I got 500 pounds. I'm trusting none, I'm torn. Honestly, I'm trusting half what I'm shown. I don't pop out, but the sheets of the room. Got me on my phone. I know how it works. I know you will flirt. She tell me the flex, and I say for word, get your feelings hurt while I'm trying to learn. My bitch wants to know this shit. She told me she bet. I said you could do worse. I'm gonna be blessed. She lived with a curse. This shit is a mess. I'm rolling up first. I'm smoking my blunt. No matter how you judge, still a book. My life a story. It's not a punch. My life a pod. It's not a function. I'm dressing. I want them. Honestly, I'm dressing half what I'm shown. I don't pop up, but as you say, it's fucking bad bush. Shit. Mm. Mm. And she's doing everything in her power not to fill that last target or that target right there, huh? Hey, she running from it. All right, 451. 451. All right, 451. All right, so the orb is officially in on the Nasdaq. 108,000 contracts has been added in the first 15 minutes. So we'll see what the market does with that. Damn, about freaking time. All right, so I'm gonna take my scalings off. I'm gonna leave that target. I mean that stop back. Uh, and we just let this runner play out. Great trade on the ES. Perfect entry, honestly. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, Hey, yo, what's up, Alfred? I think so too. I mean, either the Bulls are going to defend in this area or they not. They're trying. They're definitely trying here. They're definitely trying to defend this area. I don't think we see a reversal, but I think we can see a push back up. If the Bulls fail here, then we're going to just see a bearish continuation down. This is the last line of defense for Bulls right here. Last line. But that is not a very convincing hourly candle to buy. That is a super bullish or a super bearish candle. All right. There goes that stop run. That was the last offense for the Bears right there, or the Bulls, and that's why we're getting that stop and run. So we could just see a big move down today, man. Hey, what's up, Santiago? Oh shit. Shit, I'm up 30 points on the ES right now. If I was in 10 contracts, I would be up like 20K right now. You said we have a fair value gap above on ES. Don't think that's a target. I'll add to this position at the pullback. I would have took this on the stream account, but this was a position that I had over last overnight to fill. And by the time I got back to my desk, I was already filled on this position. Shit, I literally caught the ES orb high. This is one of the reasons why I really enjoy. Oh shit! God damn it! Ah, damn, damn. I was gonna move my target. Damn. Damn. I didn't mean to take that. I was about to move it down some more. Damn. All right. All right. So what I'm gonna do here? If we see a pop back up, I'm gonna short the retest of the orb low on the ES. I'm gonna go half size on the position. I'm not a fan of short and low, but and I'm not also not a fan of getting a good trade with all my targets getting hit and giving back all them profits. So I'm gonna go half size on the position on the follow up trade. I'm gonna attach it to the 50 EMA. Yeah. I mean, well, I think we need to frame it correctly. It's not the bears, it's just the bulls getting exhausted. You had all this buying, and you can see that it's not the bears that's really moving this market. It's just the bulls are aggressively trying to buy this market, and the big boy buyers aren't buying with them. So they're aggressively buying this thing, and they're just and their stops is being used to fuel this market lower. So, damn, I didn't mean to take that target. Damn it. Damn, I should have put it down a little bit lower. This thing looks like it's going to run, but I'm not going to. And yeah, Alfred. Yeah, 300 was that area. So I definitely agree with you. If they didn't defend 300, we was going to go down. And there we go. Damn. I'm living enough. It's blunt. I'm taking a puff. This stuff don't feel like a sense. I'm trying something as you must. Mm-hmm. Doing a sanity. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds. You know what, man? This shit is going, man. This shit going. I don't pop out, but it's she said they on. I'm seeing when I be on my phone. This is a very aggressive entry. It's very aggressive, but I don't think we're going to see no bounce no time soon. I think they're just going to keep selling this thing off. So hopefully I can survive this. Hopefully. It is a very aggressive entry. All right, we got 5 minutes until the 9 o'clock algo. Of course. I was about to say, man, come on. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Really? Whatever, man. Said ES just touched the previous week's low. Oh, did it? Isn't that some shit? I got in short at the freaking at the low without even trying. I got in short at the low without trying. Nice one, ES. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Stop me out. Go lower, baby. Go ahead. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. God damn. Shit, it appears that way. Shit, gold is doing the same thing right now. I think I'm just not going to trade for the rest of this week, man. And this with like the price action this week has been crazy on everything. Hmm. Shit, Smith, we're already at that point. 300 was that level for Nasdaq. So at this point, let me show you what I guess. Let me show you what I'm talking about. 300 was that level. There's no support under 300. Like there's literally no support under 300 until we get to like maybe 23.4, 23.45, 23.80. Oh, I mean, well, yeah. There's no support because all this move was the market trending up. This was the last real area of support right here. So, I mean, this is kind of where the market probably wants to go, at least back into this range. And if we see a break below this, previous week's low is at 22.8. The weekly close of August 3rd, 870. So shit, we got a ways to go with the Nasdaq. Now it's just a blackout. Yeah, I don't think so either, Smith. This market is preparing for Jackson Hole. I mean, it's kind of obvious at this point. The bulls aren't buying; they're systematically selling. And you can tell that they're systematically selling because of the walls that they're creating. Every time it makes a new low, it breaks, makes a wall, break, makes a wall, break. So this is obviously systematic and being done purposely. Oh. I guess that would be too easy, huh? Dude, shit. I already know that this is just a pullback. I know that this is just a pullback. The Bulls were super aggressive. The bulls were super aggressive. I mean, this is the 60K chart. Just look how aggressive the bulls have been. I just know this is a pullback. You needed angles, I need angels. Some fighting Satan. He been faded, I so painless. He'll go out gracious. He didn't paint us, facilitated re-entertainment, going brainless, like going dumb. Oh my haters. No, no, ES, you're not done. Hit that limit. You're not done. You're not done. Hit that limit first, and then you can go down. Okay. Yes. You couldn't tag your boy in? You couldn't tag me in? Hmm. Come on, ES. Come on. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. Oh, come. Oh, man. Stop. God damn it, ES. You couldn't vindicate me here, huh? You couldn't go down on your boy, huh? That's some crazy shit. Damn, that's crazy, man. Mm. No, yes, please, no. Let me participate. Ta. Yeah. Came with that bitch with the 5. Man, that's man, man. Come. Yes, don't make me get aggressive with you. Man. I'm gonna get aggressive with her if she keep going down. I can't, man. I hate the fact that I took that damn target. Man, it just happened so damn fast. She yanked that target away from me so she couldn't, so I wouldn't be able to be in this glorious drop. Hmm. I want to see what happens around this area right here. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm a full ported. Let me get this stick. The bitches be saying full ported, Sherm. Full ported. Oh, bitch, I'm a full ported. I'm a full ported. Hey, yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. Full ported, Sherm. I mean, I had a big win this morning, but it could have been bigger. It could have been bigger. And these are the money trades on the ES right here, man. I was up 30 points on the ES, but I could have been up 40 points. I don't know if I want to set this to auto chase. Uh, uh, hmm. Because sometimes the I don't know if I want to chase it though. I don't know if I want to chase it. Chase limit. Because I mean, I would have been in this short if she. I think she missed me by like maybe a couple of ticks. When my original entry was, I guess when it was trailing, she missed me right here by a couple of ticks. I'm just saying, when I'm showing, I don't pop up it. It's just Hey, you know what? That's a good habit to start to form, Santiago. That's why I am denouncing the ways of NQ. I am denouncing my NQ ways. I'm denouncing it. And that's not blasphemous. All right. I will no longer offer an account sacrifice to the Nasdaq. You you got to tell the Nasdaq no. The NQ likes to take your account. No. The NQ likes to collect accounts, and you have to tell her no. No. You got to tell her no. You got to tell her no. Full blast. The NASDAQ likes to collect accounts. And you got to tell her no. You got to tell her no. Infinite oil. Shit. Instead of oil, damn, the NASDAQ has 100 bottles of Trader's Tears in her closet that she likes to drown herself in. Their hopes, their dreams, their sweat, their tears. She has a whole 1,000 bottles full of those. Said that's blasphemy. I denounce. I denounce NQ in all her ways. Nah, I'm playing. I can never let NQ go. That's my babe. Can't never let her go. She just hurts me sometimes. It's alright. Should not push on. Always push to. So this is going to so I'm gonna take I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm going to buy 69.75 on the ES. I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm gonna take it. This is a very aggressive entry. I am not taking this trade in the stream account. This is a throwaway account that I'm taking this trade in. This account is being used to get me acclimated to trading the ES. I'm looking at TradingView right now, and this is a previous area of support where the bulls broke out of, and that's why I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna show it to y'all guys. It's very aggressive. There is no structure. Our current structure that I'm trading is just basically is trading into a previous area of demand. I got it on the 15 minute. So I'm trading this area. Hold on. Well, yeah, I'm trading this area right here. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if y'all guys can see that. This little block of right here on the ES. So we'll see if the bulls kind of step up here a little bit because we got the breaker structure higher from this area. So there could be some passive limit orders sitting here for like a quick bounce potentially. And that's all I'm looking for. Not a reversal, but like a bounce. So, oh my God. No, you did not, ES. No, you did not. No, you did not. Okay. We had 2080. Yeah, we'll see, man. I mean, the Nasdaq and the ES is both in areas where they had previous area of support, and then we saw a move. So, yo, ES, yo, that's dirty as fuck, man. That's dirty as fuck, ES, man. What the hell? Uh, oh my, come on, yo, that's nasty, man. That's nasty, man. That's nasty. Hmm. Yo, congratulations on that, cave trader. Congratulations on that, man. Yo, what? Wow. Okay. All right, man. All right. All right, man. All right. Mm, mm. That's not fair, man. That's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair, man. 88.25. I'm needed. That's not fair, man. I could have been on this long. God damn it, man. That's not fair, man. ES. You know what's crazy is because I shared an experience with the ES that she did the exact same. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, my bad. My thing froze a little bit. So I shared last night an experience I had with the ES where she missed me by a tick at the bottom, and then she made a full freaking fledged reversal, and then I went super tilt because of that. I'm not gonna go tilt, but I'm just saying, like, it just reminded me of that, and it's crazy that she did that. Is when I told that story last night. All right. So if I was in this, I would have gotten my first and second target hit so far. That's crazy, man. Mm, ain't it? Ain't it? Mm. Oh, yeah. Shit. Yeah, hold on. What is my shit? Really lies. Hold up, shit. It's one of my shit. It's one of these ties. Hold up, shit. Around. Yeah, be fucking these hoes. And be fucking it. I be going crazy shot. Everything. You know, understand. She just trying to go. No, no, lie. Shit. I got these hoes on their toes. Damn, man. There we go. First target hit, baby. Let's go. First target hit, baby. Yeah, I mean the buyers was just so aggressive. They didn't want to give it up. A lot of probably what a lot would have happened. And if you go to Wall Street bets, I'm pretty sure everybody there is going to back up my claim. But a lot of people probably put their life savings. As crazy as that sounds, people do it though. But I think a lot of people put their life savings in buying this dip. I mean, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you do it? You see these markets going to all-time highs for no damn reason, and the market's finally dipping. Why wouldn't you buy it? Why wouldn't you buy? Why wouldn't you buy this thing? The market's been using this trend line right here. It's been using this trend line right here. Now it's just a blackout. Always tell me to put myself first. I don't really fall in love with women, girl. Couple bros, man, and I put my dick first. I ain't pay back in that shit. I should have treated you better. Used to do it lanes till she ran into a step. Big dog, sure, mama zone, nine rebel. I ain't gonna. I'm not. Well. Oh, you know what? You know what it actually did? It actually hit my. It actually hit that limit. It actually hit that limit at 69. Shit, you know what, Smith? Actually, I think it's the opposite. I think this is happening in anticipation that we will get a rate cut. Because remember, nobody is selling this. They're just getting stopped out. The market is selling itself. This is not selling. This is bulls getting stopped out. Aggressive bulls getting stopped out. I think we get a rate cut. And then we're going to see a big move probably Friday. So everybody believes that Powell is not going to cut. She missed me by 3 ticks there. 3 ticks, huh? I really wouldn't be surprised of a pop here, actually. I mean, I really wouldn't be surprised. Oh yeah, the good thing about the ES, for the ES traders out there, the good thing about the ES is that the ES will keep buying or selling until it reaches its objective. If you know where the market's objective is on the ES, you can rest assured that the bears or bulls will keep buying and selling until it reaches its objective. The ES is very objective oriented. You just got to know what that objective is. Mm-hmm. Yeah, give me that bitch with the 5. Yeah, Smith. That's called the taper tantrum. That's what happened when that was the market's way of showing Powell that they didn't like the way that he raised rates. Like, how dare you? When money was free, I bet so. I got my car around that time. I barely pay any interest on my car. Barely any interest. I think I pay about like $50 a month on interest on my car. I barely pay anything. I thought about paying it all fully. And then I keep looking at the interest. I was like, dude, I'm barely not paying interest on this thing. So I might as well just keep it. And I bought it brand new. Well, only 9 miles on that shit during COVID. I only got 30,000 miles. I had that car for 5 years, I think. 5. And only has 30,000 miles on that car. Oh yeah, shit. They bought that damn thing. You got 0% on your car? Dang, how you get that? She got 0% on his car. Yo, shit, hey. I wouldn't get that car for nothing. Or at least not the car itself, but my bank tried to get me to refinance. I'm like, why the fuck would I do that? Like, why would I do that? Trying to take away my super good interest rate that I earned. Damn it. Yeah, I think my interest rate, I only had a 2% interest rate on my car. I'm barely paying interest on that damn thing. You said 3.5. So I need lower. I need 0% interest rate. The best we can do is 1.5. No, I need lower than that. Damn, she doing everything not to fill my target here, yo. What's up? They're watching me. They're hunting my stops. Hunt my damn targets. There we go, baby. Target filled, baby. Well, we know we get that second target hit. We cancel the scale in orders and we just let this shit ride, baby. Yo, we up here on the ES. We had about what? 3 trades on the ES this morning? We up on the ES. We could have had this trade right here if the ES wasn't going to be nasty to me. You nasty, nasty thing. Gonna sit there and miss me like that. By a tick, too. Like, that's crazy, man. ES literally missed me by a tick. Shoots up 15 points. Yeah, 15 points. So I would have got my first and second target hit. But I knew that the market is still going short. I just kind of wanted to catch this bounce. So, I mean, that was 3 great trades on the ES. I will say that this was a very aggressive trade. I mean, I was just kind of going off the structure. I mean, it's no longer there now. But I kind of figured that they could have potentially bounced it in that area. But probably 360. I mean, 360, 355. I know I words under you. Words. She told me the face, and I said, "But words get your feelings hurt." My bitch wants Chanel. This shit got the purse. She told me she bad. I said you could do worse. She lived with a curse. So shit is a mess. The first I'm smoking my blunt. Oh shit, 369 was actually on the hourly chart. I mean, it makes sense, but I didn't. I was looking at the 15. I didn't see it on the hourly. Hmm. Well, I mean, we'll see. We got to break 369 on the ES, and there's the next line of defense is at 351. $358 looks like a area too. 358. You know what? I'll just put it at 359 or for that last runner target. I'm just saying, no, I'm telling you. I don't pop out, but it's usually Nah, I'm gonna let this one run, man. Shit, like the market wants to go down. The next level of support, the next low is what 345, 345, 345 probably. I mean, would 345 be too greedy? Hmm. We don't have to lie. We don't have to lie right here. It's I wonder if it's gonna bounce here though. Huh. All right, we just put the target into just, the ES trend always wins. Or just put the stop in profit. No, I ain't doing that shit. No, fuck that. No, I ain't putting no damn stop, no damn profits though. Fuck that. This for the ego right here, man. This is my ego trade. I'll reduce my risk, but I'm not gonna put it in stop and profit. I mean, shit, on one contract, I'm only up $70. I'm not gonna cry because I lost $70. It's for my ego. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Were you looking to short it at Cave Trader? 357 is looking like an area where the market wants to. It's a next level. 357, 358 looks like there's people already stacking orders in that area. 350. $22.8, yeah. I mean, that's the next level, Smith. 2286. We'll probably get somewhere around 2286. Looks like the Bears can finally get their vindication after getting turned around this entire year. After cheeks were clapped. After cheeks were clapped, the Bears are finally winning. Even though they're not the reason why this market is going down. That's probably like a good area where if we do see a bounce, it'll be in a good area right here. No, I ain't doing that. I ain't putting my stop in profit. Who does that? That's blasphemy. Putting stops in profits without a hit. Oh yeah, you must be somebody from the house of taking profits. Taking profits before a price hits your TP is such blasphemy. That's blasphemous. We don't do that around here. We like to take our targets and be rewarded with that BDE energy and the confidence to take the next trade. But I know the guys over there at Taking Profits, the house of Taking Profits, y'all don't get the glory of the vindication that comes from getting your target hit and that BDE energy that comes afterwards. I understand y'all don't get that. Y'all get taking profits and disappointment afterwards and regret All right. 430. 397, huh? 397. I ain't get stopped out. What are you talking about? I ain't get stopped out. Okay, I figured as much. I don't know why that just bothered me as much. But I'm probably up there with you, Alfred. My bad, I got distracted by an email. But we caught that move, that initial drop in the beginning. We got that follow up right here. Both great entries using the 50 EMA. Shit, I mean that orb low, that drop on the orb on the ES was god dang. It just went straight down. The Nasdaq too. Yeah, I remember you telling me about that yesterday, Cave Trader. So 150 for the copy trader, huh? What code did you use again? Mike 20. $150 for a copy trader. You know what, Cave Trader? I'm gonna look into it again. What the hell? I'm about to say. Why didn't you just say so? I'm not. I thought I was truly doing that. She did it too. Let's go. You too? Hold on. Come here. Well, okay, Trader, you haven't steered me wrong yet, so I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. I mean, if I really think about it, you actually bringing that up is probably right on time. If I really think about it, I mean, it aligns with my goal of copy trading. Instead of flipping through all these accounts, I can just have just a control panel. I'll look at it. I'll probably buy it. Why not? Why not? I'll probably buy it. Okay. All right. Is the website to purchase the copy trader? Is it flowbots.ninja slash pro? Okay, flowbots.ninja. Is that where you got it from? We could see a bounce at 360 potentially, but I doubt it. I mean, if the Bulls are buying 360, might have been a high spot, but who knows? I'm like, that big bite. And that'll be the last time I try to do that. You know, that's the main reason why I choose not to join groups, which are basically a nice way to say cults. Every group has every group has its group within its group, and every group has its cult leader, the leader that should not be questioned. I'm looking at one of the headlines about Fed Waller saying that there was no comment on monetary policy or economic conditions. And we understand why there's no comment. Everybody has their opinions, but if it differs from the cult leader or the group leader, you can always find yourself on the wrong side of exile per se. The 48 laws of power is definitely something to read and understand and study. Over time, it always seems no matter what the group is, it just becomes groupthink. And the group thinks whatever the leader thinks. And if they have their own independent thoughts, well, you may not be a part of that group anymore. And for whatever reason, we have a deeply rooted fear of being kicked out of a group, even if that group is detrimental to our well being. Isn't that crazy? Isn't like it's one of those contradictions in life? Even if being kicked out of that group and you even go to a new group where you'll be treated better, have better positions, you can speak your opinions. Being kicked out of your original group is just a deeply rooted fear. And so you will shut the fuck up in color and adhere to groupthink, regardless if you like it or not. I don't think a lot of the I think one of the Fed speakers that I guess was going against Powell, I believe they're about to resign, and I'm not surprised by that at all. Resign in a arena of power. It's basically saying, yeah, you're getting kicked out the group, but we're not going to publicly embarrass you, so we'll give you the face saving option of leaving on your own terms. Because another thing about being human is if you get kicked out of one group, the next group is going to wonder why the hell you got kicked out of your old group, and they don't want you neither. I think that's probably why there's a deeply rooted fear. Hmm. Hmm. Oh shit. Mm, Replicanto. All right. So if I was in this, I would have got stopped out. I would have got stopped out at 64 just for it to bounce at 62, pissing me off. Mm. But I mean, unlike the Nasdaq, the ES trends always win. You always want to trade in the direction of the immediate trend on the ES. You don't want to fight it. I know it might.
Mm.
bad. So if this does work out, I'll probably only get the first target hit. Probably it does look like it's about to. It does look like it's about to flip. We could see the market sell off at the previous week low at around 387. Previous week's lows at 387. Let me just mark that out. Uh, 387.75 to be exact. If I see a failed breakout above this high, then I'm gonna get back in short. I'm gonna just mark this out. All right. That's the previous week's high or low right there. Uh, we'll see. I'm looking for a failed breakout. Three nine six. Hmm. 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 Mm. Yeah, I know. Shit, if they don't hold this right here, then if they don't hold this, then we're going to see a breakout. This will be a breakout to the upside if they don't hold. Okay. All right. I guess the market is ready to go back long, man. This is a breakout. If they can hold above this high, it'll be a breakout. Mm, okay. All right. Mm, Yeah, we got the FOMC minutes at 1 o'clock Central, 2 o'clock Eastern. Mm. Mm. No, K Trader. I think so. So with the FOMC minute, the FOMC minutes is just a transcript about what they talked about, and what market participants use the FOMC minutes for is to kind of speculate on whether we will see a rate cut based on what is said during this meeting. During the meeting, usually we'll see a reaction because of what a lot of people do with these bots is that they kind of scan the document and they look for keywords, and the market will react off of certain keywords that the bots are instructed to look for. And you know this type of stuff already, but just for those that don't understand the functionality of these algos and how they scan and scrape the minutes for certain keywords. But we'll see initial reaction until people actually really look at it and understand, and then we can usually see a different reaction from it. But I do think that we'll probably see like a jolt of volatility. Uh, I don't think we'll probably see a real move until obviously Friday. I mean, if we didn't have Jackson Hole this Friday, uh, the market would be left to their thoughts. But good thing that we have the Jackson Hole this Friday, so the transcripts can come out and market participants can get clarification on what Powell most likely will do during the meeting. And I think it starts actually tonight. Kind of like the FOMC meeting starts at on like a day before, and then the actual conference is the next day. So apparently, I mean, I really don't know what this means, but it's scheduled is on the schedule for 7 o'clock today, tomorrow, and on Friday, where Powell will actually make it. I think it's all day on Friday. Mm. Oh crap! I'm actually out of time for the session. My bad. Good thing I looked at the clock. All right, guys. So we had two great trades in the ES, but then it was followed up by two small losses. So altogether, I think I lost 10 points today, 11 points. We lost 11 points, but we should still be positive today. We only lost 11 points. So we'll come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.